second. I was like, what?
Oh no, he's quick. It's not quick enough though.
Yeah, I started gaining on him. Holy shit, I was nervous for a sec there. I was like, no way.
You'll notice as you start driving, you'll notice little things on cars.
Yeah.
That identifies them as like guys that want to do that kind of shit.
No, I wasn't even used to that.
No? I seen one little sticker on his car and it said he's tuned, go.
I feel like, I don't know, like my blood's rushing. I feel like Spider-Man or something.
Oh, yeah.
He stuck his hand out the window and everything.
Yeah.
What do you think about this guy? Is he tuned?
Well, he's stock as fuck, but he looks older. Well, you're not beating that.
What do you mean? It's 6.4 liters, is that why?
Yeah, you're not beating it. It's the SRT.
I don't care what it is. What's that face for?
I don't know, man.
He don't want it.
Get right beside him. You gotta look at each other in the eyes. It is. Yeah, it is. You gotta look at each other, and then it's the smile, and you go.
He doesn't want to. He's going too far ahead. Oh,
Told ya.
I'm going back.
Yep. Go.
The license plate in the window. I knew it.
See, little signs tell you what cars will do.
Maybe this Beamer beside us. What do you think of him? Is he a culprit?
Yep. Just lean back pretty far. Oh, look at this fucking guy. He's really giving her. Oh, this sports bike will fuck with you.
Dude, he'll win. It's a bike.
Not necessarily. I beat bikes sometimes. If it's if it's a 600 series, yeah, maybe. It's always fun to have a go.
He has the spikes in the helmet too. It means it's better for aerodynamics.
He was just dragging his feet on the ground.
Was he?
Yeah. This guy will.
He has a GoPro on his head. Who is that?
Is that 6 foot?
Who's 6 foot?
6'4" Honda YouTuber. Go. Let's go. Go.
Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah, go. There's no fucking way.
Holy fuck, who the hell was that? There's no way, bro.
That's either 6'4" Honda or 6'5" China. He's from Mississauga.
Holy shit, I thought he was gonna go in front of me, dude. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Those guys will do like 350 down this shit.
Dude, his thing popped too. I was like, holy shit.
As soon as he downshifted, I was like, you're done.
I wasn't ready.
No, just the way it downshifted, I was like, oh, you're done. And he was about to go, he didn't even look. And I was
Who?
like, what the f?
Oh my god, dude.
But he's a bike, he can squeeze through a
Yeah, that's what I saw him. That's why I didn't know what was gonna happen. He just flew all the way around and went all the way in.
And then he's gone, yeah.
I don't even know where he is now.
Oh, he's probably past that turn.
Holy crap. I see him, like, he's like there. I saw him, and he passed, and I'm like, where'd he go?
Gone. You can tell how those things get away from cops, eh?
Yeah, you're not chasing that. There's no way.
Yeah, like in that scenario, if you were a cop trying to keep up with them,
You're done. You can't catch that.
Gone.
You're gonna get everyone to move over. You're still not gonna catch them.
Yeah, you'll see it. If you look closely at a lot of bikes, they won't even have license plates on because bikers are so cocky. They'll drive around with a no license plate and they'll like, what's a cop gonna do?
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah, he just got cut off.
You're open. I just backed that in totally wrong.
Whatever.
There's literally no one here.
You're driving a Mustang.
Yeah, I guess I should go in. Fuck it, dude. Getting a bumper. More horsepower.
2020 Mustang GT500 Bumper. I called about 10 minutes ago. Yeah. Yeah, we're up front.
I did, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude, it's gonna be tight. You gotta be so careful. Look at the roof too, be careful.
Oh no, I'm watching it, don't worry. My hand's on the sharpest parts.
I can't go over bumps because it's hitting the top.
Oh, you're fine.
No,
Bumps
the
will be
other
fine.
other side.
This side?
Yeah, you have to check my blind spots too, like on the right side, because I can't see shit.
True.
Exhaust is so much louder now.
With the seats down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds nice, eh?
Yeah.
God damn.
Oh, scared the fuck out of me.
What? Oh,
It's
you
like
thought-
some. I thought it was like an animal, like a brick or something. I don't know what the heck it was. I was like, what? It was a cloth.
Oh, on your side?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't see that. Oh fuck.
What?
When you think it's being done pulling, you stepped on it more and it downshifted. I was like, oh shit. Oh,
What?
we got a contender.
It's a new car too, license plate.
Yeah. Well, it's they don't want to race.
No, they don't. They don't want any of this. Always giving it.
It's all good.
There's no way they'll race, dude.
That Ferrari will give you a go.
Nah, he won't go.
Yeah, he will. He already will. So will his wife. Look, she's speeding right up to him. It's a guy. Go. Go. Go.
He probably wasn't even hitting it all the way.
No, definitely not.
Yeah, there's no way. The thing's sick. He knows it's sick too. That's his wife?
Yeah.
Why?
Because look how close they're staying together. They merged together.
Yeah.
They came on together. That's a C63 AMG.
Oh my god, you're an idiot, dude.
With those kind of drivers, especially if he's older, sometimes he won't give it like he's younger, you know?
Yeah.
And especially with his wife behind him or whatever, if that is the case. This is a rich couple going out for a fucking cruise.
A rich couple going for a little rip.
Literally, that's exactly what's going on there. He has the fucking nice toy, and she has the sporty as hell fucking family car.
Do you think they're adopting?